And now bringing together Bollywood glamour and sporting star power, actor, investor Sunil Shetty, cricketer KL Rahul and actor Ahan Shetty have teamed up to support Excel Moto, a new electric mobility startup founded by automotive designer and entrepreneur Akshay Vardhe. Excel Moto aims to shake up India's two-wheeler EV market by launching pedal-assist electric bikes, vehicles that look like motorcycles but are priced like premium bicycles. The company is positioning itself as a category creator targeting urban commuters with a stylish, affordable alternative to traditional scooters. Pre-orders for Excel Motors' first two models, E1X Kai and E2R Rosso, open on June 28th with only 999 units available initially for a token booking fee of just 499 rupees. The unisex bikes are priced under 42,000 rupees and offer a removable lithium battery, a 40 to 60 kilometer range, fat tires and no registration or driving license needed. Now, while Sunil Shetty described the brand as a proud Indian product built for the country, KL Rahul remarked that Excel Moto successfully combines purpose with performance and that the product is designed to resonate with India's new generation of riders. Well, earlier this month, TV9's MD and CEO, Mr. Varun Das, had spoken to Sunil Shetty at the News9 Global Summit in Dubai on his investments in startups. Let's listen in.
Now, under action hero to business strategist, obviously there were many roles in between. One of the fabulous roles that you played is Hera Fairy, Kansham. So the whole transition that you had made and come being a business strategist, which is possibly your primary identity now that you are an investor. How did that transition happen? You must be one of the first ones in film industry who had taken investment in startup in a very systematic way. I think there are more following that footstep. Internationally also, Robin Gosling is possibly one who's very active there. But how did this thought come to you? How did you go about making this transition?
I think for me, life came a full circle. First was business with Dad, then my own startup that I'd called Mischief, which was fashion, which was extremely popular brand. Then came cinema. Dad said, one life to live, give it your shot, give it your best shot. Treat your work like your own child, it'll give you back. I did that. Then came a low phase in my life. Then came Dad, who was unwell. I decided, you know what, instead of taking up crap, let's just say quits to it and spend time with him. Spent a good 4 or 5 years with him. That's when I got into understanding what other people were doing. Then came the pandemic, and then came the journey of startups and young entrepreneurs from home. And that opportunity when I said, you know what, जब हम फिल्में करते थे और पैसे invest करते थे, and used to run the business on your own, it didn't work because I didn't give my time to it. I didn't love it like I should, because that's what business also grows on. But then I saw young founders who were doing great stuff, and I said, let's back them. I saw success in some of my earlier ventures. It could be 5%, 10%, 15%, that doesn't matter. But I saw a plus in my balance sheet, and that's when I said, you know what, अच्छे लोगों के साथ चलो. तब पहले opportunities नहीं थी. अब opportunities है, तो अच्छे लोगों के साथ चलो, तो फायदा कहीं ना कहीं होगा ही.
Your celebrity status, is it an asset or liability for you?
It's an absolute asset. If you know that you want to do things right in your life. If there's a shortcut that you're taking, agar मैं कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ, then I'll have a fear in my mind. I won't be able to have that large heart and say, yes, I'm doing that business. But because I'm doing it right, I believe it's an asset because it reaches the people. You get the eyeballs. Of course, after that, it's the product that matters and the founders and the service that matters. So it does give you an opportunity, and having friends who are very keen that, "Arey yaar, aap agar invest kar rahe ho, to let us also invest." So that gives me, the risk is shared with a whole lot of people. At the same time, you can help the kids grow.